In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new indicator in TradingView. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, understanding how to effectively use indicators can significantly enhance your trading strategy, giving you the tools you need to interpret market data more efficiently. To begin, you'll first want to open up a chart in TradingView. This can be any chart you are working with or want to analyze. Once you have your chart open and ready to go, the next step is to locate the Indicators icon. You can easily find this icon on the top toolbar. It's prominently placed and usually represented by a small graph symbol, ensuring quick access whenever you need it. Click on the Indicators icon to open up a new window. This window is your gateway to a wide array of both standard and custom indicators. To find a specific indicator, make use of the convenient search bar available here. This tool allows you to type in the name of the indicator you're interested in, making the process quick and hassle-free. Now, let's dive into the different types of indicators you can choose from. Within this window, you'll notice two main categories. The first is under Built-ins. Here, you'll find official technical indicators that are commonly used across the trading community. These include popular choices like RSI, which helps you identify overbought or oversold conditions, and MACD, which is excellent for highlighting changes in the strength, direction, momentum, and duration of a trend. These built-in options are reliable and widely utilized by traders at all levels. If you're feeling adventurous and want to explore beyond the standard set, turn your attention to the Community section. This is a treasure trove of creativity and knowledge, showcasing thousands of PineScript indicators that have been shared by users around the world. These user-generated tools can offer unique insights, as they're often developed to meet specific needs or to tackle niche market scenarios. It's like having a window into how other traders approach their analyses, which can be incredibly enlightening. Once you've found the indicator you're interested in, simply click on it. Doing so will instantly add the indicator to your chart, and you'll see it appear right away. This seamless integration allows you to immediately begin analyzing and interpreting data without the need for additional steps or setup. By following these simple instructions, you can effectively enhance your charting techniques and gain richer insights into market trends. Remember, the right indicators can unlock new strategies and improve your decision-making process. So take the time to experiment and discover which ones work best for your trading style. Happy trading, and see you in the next video.